Driveways and sidewalks pressure washed. Absolutely do not do this. 100% yourself. If you want to hire someone to do it, I support your decision.
Yeah.
But if you go out and rent a 48,000 percent PSI that will burn concrete up, well, a lot of times you end up with this lovely tiger striped or zebra striped sidewalk and or driveway, and you don't realize that pressure washer is only removing about 2 to 3 inches of that's about as big as the stream is. So think about how many 2 to 3 inch squares are on your driveway. It's an all day project. So there's guys out here that have better equipment than you will have. They will do it right. But I'm going to say if you were attempting to do it yourself, don't. And definitely don't let your teenage kids do it. Because then we end up with all kinds of creativity in the sidewalk. We end up with tic-tac-toe, we end up with cars, we end up with everything. So just trust me on that one.